In a world driven by innovation and entrepreneurship, the pursuit of a side hustle has become a transformative avenue for individuals seeking financial independence and diversification. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or explore your passions, the good news is that starting a side hustle doesn't always require a hefty investment. This article unveils 10 lucrative side hustles you can kickstart today with little to no money. From freelance writing to virtual assistants and creative ventures like graphic design, we'll guide you through practical opportunities that align with your skills and interests. It's time to turn your spare time into a source of income and fulfillment. Freelance writing. Embrace the power of words as we delve into the world of freelance writing, a versatile side hustle that demands only your creativity and a keyboard. Uncover platforms where clients eagerly await your prose and discover tips for embarking on this writing journey with minimal upfront costs. In the realm of freelance writing, possibilities abound, allowing you to turn your passion for words into a profitable venture. With the right guidance, you can harness your storytelling prowess to build a steady stream of income, transforming your spare moments into opportunities for financial growth and self-expression. Let's explore the limitless potential of freelance writing as your gateway to a thriving side hustle. Virtual assistants. Step into the dynamic realm of virtual assistants, where your organizational skills and multitasking prowess can be transformed into a lucrative side hustle. As businesses increasingly embrace remote work, the demand for virtual assistants has surged. Discover the myriad tasks you can handle for clients, from managing emails to scheduling appointments. We'll guide you through the process of finding virtual assistant opportunities and offer insights into initiating this side hustle without a substantial upfront investment. With determination and a computer, you can embark on a virtual journey, providing essential support to businesses while crafting a flexible and rewarding side hustle that fits seamlessly into your lifestyle. Online tutoring. Unlock the doors to education with the flourishing world of online tutoring, a side hustle that capitalizes on your expertise. Explore the diverse subjects and skills in demand, discovering the online platforms connecting tutors with eager learners. From math wizards to language aficionados, the opportunities are vast. This section unveils the potential for turning your knowledge into income without the need for substantial startup funds. Join the ranks of online educators, empower others to succeed, and find financial fulfillment in the ever-expanding landscape of virtual learning. Today, your passion for teaching can seamlessly transform into a thriving and accessible side hustle. Social media management. Immerse yourself in the dynamic world of social media management, a side hustle that capitalizes on the widespread influence of online platforms. Uncover the significance of social media for businesses and individuals alike. This section outlines the steps to offer social media management services, from content creation to scheduling and analytics. Explore free tools that streamline your efforts without denting your budget. With a strategic approach and creativity, you can cultivate a clientele eager to enhance their online presence. Transform your social media savvy into a profitable side hustle, contributing to the digital success of businesses and individuals in need. Graphic design. Embark on a visual journey into the world of graphic design, where creativity meets commerce in a lucrative side hustling. This section introduces graphic design as a versatile skill set with high demand. Explore free or low-cost graphic design tools that serve as your creative arsenal. Learn how to navigate platforms connecting graphic designers with potential clients. With minimal upfront investment, transform your artistic flair into a business venture. Whether designing logos, social media graphics, or marketing materials, your unique visual language can attract clients and establish a thriving graphic design side hustle. Embrace the fusion of artistry and entrepreneurship in this dynamic digital landscape. Affiliate marketing. Dive into the realm of passive income with affiliate marketing, a side hustle that leverages your online presence. Explore the fundamentals of affiliate marketing, understanding how to choose products and strategically promote them. This section unveils creative ways to embark on affiliate marketing without a significant financial investment. From blog posts to social media, we'll guide you on the journey to earning commissions through your promotional efforts. Harness the power of affiliate partnerships, turning your digital footprint into a revenue-generating asset. With dedication and strategic promotion, you can cultivate a side hustle that thrives on your existing online presence, unlocking the potential for sustainable and scalable income. Dog walking pet sitting venture into the heartwarming world of pet care with dog walking and pet sitting as your side hustle. With a growing demand for reliable pet services, discover how to establish a business catering to furry companions. This section guides you through the steps of setting up, marketing, and thriving in your local community. Turn your love for animals into a source of income by providing essential services to pet owners in need. Embrace the joy of spending time with pets while building a fulfilling side hustle that requires minimal upfront costs and offers endless opportunities for personal satisfaction and financial gain. Online surveys and market research. Delve into the realm of online surveys and market research as an accessible side hustle. Discover platforms that pay for your opinions and insights, providing an avenue to earn extra income in your spare time. This section outlines the basics of participating in online surveys, signing up for reputable platforms, and maximizing your earnings through market research opportunities. With minimal time commitment and no upfront costs, you can contribute valuable feedback to brands and businesses while enjoying the benefits of a flexible and straightforward side hustle. Uncover the potential of turning your opinions into a supplementary income stream today. Handmade crafts and Etsy shop. Explore the artisanal world of handmade crafts and turn your creative passion into a thriving side hustle. This section guides you through setting up an Etsy shop, a platform tailored for unique handcrafted items. Uncover the essentials of crafting marketable products, capturing captivating product photos, and establishing a compelling brand presence. With minimal initial investment, you can transform your artistic talents into a source of income while tapping into a global community of buyers seeking one-of-a-kind creations. Embrace the joy of crafting and entrepreneurship as your handmade goods find homes and your side hustle blossoms into a fulfilling venture. Remote consulting and freelance services. In the era of remote work, capitalize on your expertise by delving into the world of remote consulting and freelance services. Begin by identifying your core competencies, whether they lie in marketing, business strategy, or IT. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr offer a gateway to connect with clients actively seeking your specific skills. Craft a compelling profile that articulates your experience and the unique value you bring to the table. Emphasize a problem-solving approach, showcasing how your services address common challenges faced by businesses or individuals. Establishing your freelance business involves setting clear services, competitive yet reasonable rates, and leveraging social media to showcase your skills. As you accumulate successful projects, your portfolio becomes a testament to your capabilities, enhancing credibility in the competitive freelance landscape. One of the key advantages of remote consulting and freelancing is the flexibility it offers. Tailor your work to fit your schedule, allowing for a smooth transition from part-time to full-time engagement if desired. The income potential is substantial, directly tied to the value you provide and the expertise you bring to each project. In conclusion, remote consulting and freelance services present an exciting opportunity to transform your skills into a flexible and rewarding side hustle. Embrace the freedom of remote work, offering valuable solutions while carving a niche for yourself in the interconnected realm of online freelancing.